Okay, Nicole won this for me.
안녕하세요.
Hello, 안녕하세요.
Well, good morning and welcome back to the channel. So it's a rush hour morning. अभी जल्दी जल्दी हमें सबवे पकड़ना है. हाँ, प्रियंका is running.
Yeah, we have to catch the KTX
Yes.
और जोंगजू. So अभी 11 बजे, तो इसीलिए हम मतलब ब्रेकफास्ट भी नहीं किए. हम कॉफ़ी टू गो ले लेंगे, लेकिन पहले हमें स्टेशन पहुँचना है.
So we are at Seoul Station and
They
अभी
wanna give this, so it's gonna ring, like it will beep and then we'll collect.
so we are waiting.
Now you will go and collect the coffee.
Okay, we are waiting for coffee. And अभी तक नंबर प्लेटफॉर्म नंबर आया नहीं है हमारा, इसलिए हम लोग वेट कर रहे हैं. कितना टाइम बाकी है? हाफ एन आवर आई गेस. So this is how Seoul Station looks. तो यहाँ पर प्लेटफॉर्म और उसके कोच नंबर कुछ ऐसे लिखे होते हैं एंड वी हैव टू स्टैंड ये लाइन के पीछे.
지금 열차가 태우고 있습니다. 한 곳 앉으셔서 한번을 물러서 주시기 바랍니다.
So 11C is here. प्रियंका उधर बैठी है, अब वो बाजू में बातें करेंगी. हाय प्रियंका. माय सीट इज हियर 11C. हंड्रेड एंड 119. ओके. So this is how a bus looks like in Seoul, in
Yeah.
South Korea.
It's like you guys can check on the neighbor map and whatever location it is, be mindful that the location on the booking site and the Naver map is different, so you guys have to figure that out. What we were doing is we were like just putting the some similar numbers, and then we figure out that this is the place because जो English में है, and I don't know if I'm coming or not. जो इंग्लिश में है और जो यहाँ के इनकी लैंग्वेज में है हंगुक में, वो दोनों डिफरेंट होता है, एंड नेवर मैप इज़ वेरी डिफरेंट एज वेल, सो यू हैव टू फिगर दैट आउट. सो जस्ट प्रिपेयर योरसेल्फ, लाइक टू डू अ लिटिल बिट ऑफ ब्रेनिंग ओवर हियर, बट अपार्ट फ्रॉम इट्स वेरी इजी. टी मनी कार्ड से यू जस्ट टैप, एंड इफ यू फील लाइक यू आर लॉस्ट, यू कैन, दिस इज अ टी मनी कार्ड, सो जस्ट टैप इट and you can ask anyone who is speaking in English, they can help you. But yeah, it's like pretty much easy, just need to be aware.
And then also Naver map helps you with this directions. We are right now here, our location will end here.
Yeah, it's a Naver map actually, so it looks like this sometimes, and you can see everything is in like that language. गाइस बिल्कुल गिरा, अच्छे से गिरा होगा तो दांत बहुत पड़ी है, उसमें टमाटर या खर्च था मुझे.
सो गाइज अभी हम बस से निकले और मैं गिरते गिरते बचा हूँ, मुझे पता नहीं था इतना रफ रोकते लोग.
मैंने इसको बोला था होल्ड ऑन टाइट, दिस पीपल आर लाइक दिस, एकदम शॉर्ट ब्रेक मारे.
हाँ, दैट वाज टू शॉर्ट ब्रेक. मेरे आगे वाले बंदे को लेके जा रहा मैं
તારો હાથ છૂટ્યો હાથ ને તો જે ગજબ પડવાના હતા ને તમે લોકો.
પછી તો બગડે था. वी आर जस्ट नियर बाय द स्टे. ये कुछ ऐसा नेबरहुड है हमारा आज का जो स्टे है उसका. प्रीटी गुड. सीधा ये બધું ગેમ્સ ને બધું છે તો
આ તો હાનોક વિલેજ જ છે.
इट्स वेरी प्रिटी गाइस.
નાઈસ. રાત્રે બનાવી સારું લાગશે.
आई थिंक सो.
મારો મારામાં બી લેવું.
तू ताराમાં तो लेना. हाय आने से.
Hello, 안녕하세요. We have a booking.
Your name?
This one.
Your name? Yeah.
Should do here. Okay. हाँ ये जो.
So this is the stay guys. Very cute, very small and lovely.
Yeah, you can just like sleep here. They
You
have given the beds
have to make your beds. You
Yeah,
can sleep
so
here.
beds
There's a
in
small
here.
TV.
and the washroom is here.
Korean toilet tissue, no? Container tissue, okay.
Okay. Tissue not in there.
No.
Okay. Okay. Makes sense.
네.
Okay.
그리고 여기 와이파이.
Okay.
우리가 메시지 한번 보시고.
Okay.
오. 이거를 오른쪽으로 이렇게
Ah.
슬로우
Okay.
온 오프 턴 레프트 오케이
Okay. Oh, I will take it. And सामने bags.
So basically this is how it looks, this place. Pretty small but pretty cute. And we'll wait for Priyanka. I think they are closing the door. She is showing how to close the door. Wow, I mean, we love this place, I guess. It's pretty good. Looks like proper traditional house. Look at this. This is hanger actually, where you can hang your coats and all. Amazing. I love it. And also this small stuff, I guess. Hair dryer. Let me show you guys. Hair dryer. A small table type to have your dinner or something. This is pretty nice.
Hello guys, so we are here. One thing, we are here at the Jungdam Hanok stay. It is, and there are like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 rooms, I guess. So हम लोग ने हमारा जो चेक इन है जुंगदाम हनोक स्टे में हमने कर लिया है. And we will be going for like something to eat because we are super hungry. हमारा breakfast भी नहीं हुआ है आज.
Yeah, it's
So
3
o'clock already. So we are thinking to like eat the traditional food. तो यहाँ पे मैंने सुना है कि bibimbap जो है bibimbap is like a Korean food जिसका इनोवेशन आई थिंक जोंगजू में हुआ था. जितना मैंने पढ़ा है उसके हिसाब से ऐसा है. सो विल फाइंड आउट. आई थिंक वी हैव सीन लाइक plenty ऑफ cafes and restaurants over there. So we are thinking to eat something like Korean this like today for lunch. And we have like a small cafeteria. I will show you. It's actually a very cute cafeteria. So this is the cafeteria. So they have given us the coffee. Korean coffee hai, and everything like self-service hai, but it's available here for us. And the lady, she said that in the morning she will bring the breakfast. And ये जो है मतलब एकदम फीलिंग आ रही है, के ड्रामा वाली फीलिंग आ रही है. इट्स लाइक वी आर अगर किसी ने वीडियोस देखे होंगे प्रॉपर जो के ड्रामा है जो प्रॉपर ओल्ड स्कूल टाइप के होते हैं जो ओल्ड टाउन्स वाले बेसिकली, तो ये उसमें इस तरीके का होता है. उनका बैकयार्ड होता है और फिर इस तरीके के उनके स्टेज होते हैं. तो इसका डेकोरेशन ही बेसिकली उन्होंने इस तरह से किया है. So we wanted to experience something like this while we are in Korea, like proper traditional Korean. So here we are. We are staying here for one day, but it's gonna be amazing. Let's go. Okay, let's have the Korean food. Bibimbap. Two person. I'm always sick. मैंने पानी नहीं बोतल आप पानी अभी पानी से कैसे So we are at the restaurant. They always provide wet tissues. तो कोई इसको मार्शमेलो समझ के खाने मत लग जाना. कहिए वही शांति थी जब मिली है ना.
લાગે છે આઈ ડોન્ટ નો આઈ બટ ઓપન તો છે ઓપન છે
I think so. Push करना. मारी तो एक कैपेचिनो.
આઈસી કરી દે મારી એક કામ કરી પીચ આઈસી
कैपेचिनो आइस टी. ओके.
અને કંઈક ખાવું છે
केक्स चाहिए.
બિયર
Take ice plain cake and one cheesecake. तो गाइस अभी हमने हमारा जो लंच था वो फिनिश किया. वी ऑर्डर्ड बिबिम्बाप एंड व्हाट वाज द नेक्स्ट थिंग बकविट नूडल्स. कोल्ड वाले आते हैं लेकिन दे वर लाइक सुपर स्पाइसी. इट वाज नॉट दैट लाइक अप टू टेस्ट, सो I don't know, maybe we are not used to the taste, but we wanted to like try some Korean food, so we anyway tried it. And now we are having the coffee because बहुत ज़्यादा लंबा दिन हो गया आज, so we are a bit tired, so we are having coffee and then we'll just walk around. So basically जोंगजू जो है वो एक ट्रेडिशनल विलेज है जो यहाँ पे बहुत सारे कोरियन फूड एंड many cultural activities they were like invented over here, something like that. So it's like very traditional. तो यहाँ पे बहुत सारी मतलब ट्रेडिशनल चीज़ें हैं and up to my knowledge I think we haven't interacted many like Indian tourists over here. Like हम जितने भी टूरिस्ट देख रहे हैं बहुत सारे जो है वो मे बी चाइनीज़ या फिर जो आसपास के एशियन कंट्रीज से है, लेकिन इंडियंस हमने स्पॉट किए लेकिन बहुत ही कम स्पॉट किए यहाँ पे. So I think it's like not that popular attraction for Indians, I think, but I seriously enjoy it. Like it's very peaceful here, so yeah, it's nice.
This is what expensive baraf ka gola look like.
But
It's yummy. It's yummy. The way they presented this one, it is very big. Chocolate chama, chocolate brownie છે.
આ રહી બધું જ છે.
Yummy.
Nice.
며칠 날로 잡을까요? 이렇게 하면은 이제 올라올 거 아니야. 그래 나도 그날은 괜찮아 이런 식으로 여기 두 개를 올려버리면
Cheese cake सारी है यार.
일로 갔다 절로 갔다 그렇게 해서 안 돼.
Very soft. What's up? अभी हम लोग वीडियोस एक्चुअली ले रहे हैं. हाय This place is actually nice. Look at the background.
Yeah, it's actually very, very cool.
And
Very
as you can guys can see.
Cool, cool.
Shut up. काफ़ी बढ़िया लग रहा है. It is. She is making a reel, guys. Let me show you. BTS behind the scenes.
આ સાઈડ સારો આવે છે. This way is good. It's good. This way is good.
काम करवा रहा हूँ इससे मैं आज. करती नहीं है कभी मेरा काम.
भाई बच्चा बन गया है, देखो जरा. वो
Okay. Oh, nice.
નાઇસ. હા યા એના નીચે વાળું નાખ.
Hey,
એના બાજુવાળું બ્લુ. નાઇસ.
nine. Okay, one.
ઓ
Hey,
10. Oh,
okay.
Nikul won for me.
तू ले उसे बोल.
Okay, Nikul won this for me.
Drinks ને બધું ખબર છે ને. Good morning, guys. Say hi to Priyanka. Hi, Priyanka. Morning.
Morning. Where are you?
Yeah, here you are.
Morning.
So, how's the cold?
Actually, it's very cold outside, but this hammock is very warm. Like यहाँ पे central heating है, floor वाली heating है. So
Floor
it's
heating,
very
exactly.
warm. I think रात को I was feeling so like sweaty. मैं literally मैं पसीना आ रहा था मुझे. इस तरफ मैं सोई थी इसलिए. So I just like removed that duvet and I was just sleeping like that. But the floor is very warm. So मुझे ये था कि हम यहाँ पे रुक रहे हैं और जिस तरह से ये इनका है ये शटर सिस्टम, तो बाहर से ठंडी आना इज़ वेरी पॉसिबल ना, वो नीचे से आना. बट आई वॉज लाइक वरीड कि भाई गर्म हुआ है नहीं, बट द फ्लोर इज़ वेरी वार्म. सो आई थिंक यू डोंट नीड टू वरी अबाउट getting a lot of like blankets or stuff. They take care of you basically.
Okay.
So now
What is this? What is this?
I don't know what this is.
So currently we are waiting at bus station. So यहाँ पर आप देख सकते हैं, यहाँ पर दिया गया है all the buses.
Hari
The
Hari
119. It's next, I guess. Okay, so we are waiting for 119, which will take us to the station.
감사합니다. 감사합니다.